Hello everyone, hope you are all doing good. So in this session I am going to show you uh, an application that I have made using DynamoDB, Spring Boot and HTML CSS JavaScript for the front end. So first let me show you the basic block diagram on the components that I have used in my application. Just I was doing some hands-on with full stack development, so I thought to present before you the application that I have made just for learning purpose only. So for the database I have used Amazon DynamoDB, and in the backend part for the DAO service and controller I have used Java Spring Boot and Hibernate framework for integrating with DynamoDB and doing DB operations with my Java code. If you're aware with the MVC model view controller model, then you will be aware of the terms DAO service and controller. DAO is that layer that is responsible for coordinating with the database models. Service layer is the code part that is responsible for handling the business functionalities wrote in the in separate blocks called as services, and the controller is the unit or the layer that integrates the front end requests or the front end calls the back end services, and this everything runs by via routing mechanism that is being controlled by this controller layer. And in the front end I have used HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Okay, just show and tell of the application that I made. So this was just I prepared it in the May 2021 for the COVID scenario. Just an idea to have a multiple functionalities. So whenever I give a pin code and search for it, I get the details of the centers that are available at that particular center, all the centers in that particular pin code, date wise, all the first dose and second dose and total jabs, all everything is there. And it is responsive and it is reactive to the client machine also. You can see whenever I decrease the size of the page, it automatically accommodates itself to the browser size. So if I give some other pin code, if it is not available, then it would show 0. But for in this pin code Dattapukur Seva Sadan, so there are some couple of doses available in the following dates. Okay, now if I press some invalid pin code and search, then it gives us a pop-up, and the pop-up will also accommodate itself in the browser screen. Okay, now I have also implemented the district wise functionality. If I want to search for a particular district and the particular state and the districts in that particular state, Ranchi, so you can see the state and district are all dynamic. If I select Sikkim, the districts of Sikkim will come here. So if I search it, and I would get the doses available in Sikkim district and the address, everything, minimum age, maximum age, everything is coming here. Well and good. This is the find by district functionality, find by pin function, and the last one is the get notified slots. This particular aspect is used for getting notifications if on a particular pin code for a particular age the vaccines are available or not. So in the DB you can see we have a couple of inputs here, and that couple of inputs they receive the notification if the doses are available at that particular time. So this is a brief show and tell of a particular application I have made using the full stack technologies. That's all guys, hope you are doing good. You also have those who are willing to learn the technologies to make full stack apps, they can also refer to this idea and they can also build their own application. Okay guys, bye then.